Hi Craig, wanted to take you through the inventory module in EP1 in .NET. So this is the beta server, and I've selected Z Abhishek as the client, and this is the inventory list. I've already shown you this inventory list before also. So today I'll go ahead and add a new exhibit. I click here, I will select a category, and based on the category selected, the subcategories come in. So I'll select one. I can manage the client category from here, and I can add sub client category also from here. So the edit delete all are working here, we have checked it. So let me just close these, and let me add this custom exhibit as a banner stand, and let me go ahead and fill the mandatory fields. So we have this exhibit size a 30 by 30. We have added the quantity field here, so that we can take care of multiple quantity in PHP, which has to be done yet. So let me add quantity as 2. Let me select a vendor. So what we have done is we have implemented drag and drop here also in the entire EP1 in .NET module. So let me click on this, and let me drop this file here. So this file gets added here. One of the Trello cards were there that whatever we enter here as notes visible to the client, it should be visible in the client inventory login. So let me add here, notes should be visible in client login. So let's go ahead and add some elements. Let me share these elements. So here also we have implemented drag and drop. So let me click on share this element and go ahead and share some of the element here. So I've added one here, and I click on share these element. So these elements show up here, and it has turned green. Now let me go ahead and add some graphics also. And also let me share them. For convenience sake, let me do it one, and I'll click on share these graphics, and it will show me the graphics list. Let me go ahead and share these. So this comes up here. Now let me go to continue to create packing, and then let me select this crate, this exhibit stores and ships without a crate. And I click on add new exhibit. Oh, it's asking for a graphic location image, so this I have not put in. So this time let me not drag drop, let me just choose a file. So whether I drag drop or whether I choose a file, this comes up here. Now let me go and click on add new exhibit. So this will save. It shows exhibit added successfully, and then this is the one that I just added. So my thumbnail is working, and the quantity is coming as 2. I can click on it, and then I can see its elements which I had added. So this is the element that I had added. So this part is done. Now let me go ahead and edit this. So once I go ahead and edit, uh, we have checked by editing all the fields whether it comes or not, and it does come. And these files thumbnails are also coming, the ones that we uploaded. This one is not coming. We'll check why it is not coming. But otherwise, for this one, it is coming. We'll check for the below one why it is not coming. And I can click on update exhibit. So it shows me exhibit updated successfully, and this has edited. Now, of course, delete is also working. It checks whether it is associated with a job or not, and then it lets me go ahead and delete this. So this is working now. Let me go ahead and log in as a client and see whether those notes are available or not. So if I click on the login for Z Abhishek and I go on my orders and inventory, and then I click on inventory here. So here is the one that I added, testing of exhibit by Puneet, and these notes should be visible in client login. So this entire thing is working. Thank you.